quick view here, the most recent drawing, Under the Wing 76, in this Human Rights, Tolerance Education, Holocaust Education art series, is now completely framed. I added not just a single frame, but I added an additional outside frame on top and on the right, giving it, in art school terms, asymmetrical balance. Well, talk about the Holocaust and other genocides. There's asymmetry in human behavior at its zenith. All right, there we have it. 2 teenage anti-Nazi partisans executed by the Nazis in Belarus, 1941, with metaphoric birds' wings and a whole bunch of allegorical sea monsters I drew. All right, there you have it. I hear a lot of chirping over here. How are we doing over here, buddies? Good? All right, thank you. Thank you for your input, your foul input. That's it. Play on words, guys. F-O-W-L, not F-O-U-L. The Nazis were F-O-U-L.